Ah, Module 1, Tangible Acupuncture Orthopedic Injuries, is focused on treating back injuries. Crash course. If your patient threw out their back doing something forward, sink, child, bag, particularly in the morning. It's a giveaway, right? And they're very nervous, or it's been a while, and this is how they feel better. Oh, ah. That's all Yangming. Don't even needle anywhere else. If they come in and they hurt their back doing something athletic, and you say, what makes it better? And they say, oh, I just want to hang all the time. This is what I want to do. Oh, oh, oh. And they have no problems getting back up. That's Taiyang, right? And if they go, gosh, I just feel like I'm being scrunched, like my back is being squeezed. That's Shaya, right? And if they say, it's so weird, it hurts right here low, nowhere else. It's here. Yeah, just needle the yin channels. Done. You don't have to come anymore. It's that simple. It really is that simple. All right. It's just there. You have to factor in good needle technique and then intensity, acceptability of patient. But if you just remember that right there that I just demonstrated for you, you can put a sign up front that says, I specialize in back pain. You will be full. You will be successful. You'll have a second house. You'll have a boat on the lake. You'll wear sunglasses, be in Vegas.